In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vital in LMMS. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to install Vital onto your computer. And whenever you've done that, you want to go to the top left in here inside LMMS, and you want to click on this button, which is the instrument plugins. And you want to go and add this VST host onto your song editor. So drag and drop it on here. There we go. And then you want to click on it once on the name of it. So this VSTIG, click on it, and you want to go and basically click on this folder icon, the green one where it says no VST plugin loaded. And then from here, you have to do the following. You want to go inside My Computer, double click on your C drive, and if you've basically installed your Vital inside the default installation folder, it's going to be in here. You want to go to Program Files. You want to scroll down a bit, and then under S, you will find the one we're looking for. So over here, you will find this Steinberg. You want to double click on that. And then from here, you have VST plugins. Double click this. And in here, you have vital.dll. Click on that and click on Open. And as you can see in a few seconds, it's going to open up Vital directly here inside your LMMS. And you can go ahead and start using it. If I go and play something in here, for example, you'll see that Vital will actually kind of recognize it, and you'll be able to basically change things from there using Vital. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.